Welcome back to the Celtic Farm. This is Steve, your resident master gardener. Ever wanted to create a garden full of life where birds come to nest, sing, and play? Adding birdhouses, along with bird feeders and baths, can transform your outdoor space into a haven for our feathered friends. In today's video, we'll cover everything you need to know, from the benefits of birds in your garden to choosing, setting up, and maintaining birdhouses for long-term success. Birdhouses do so much more than add charm to your garden. They're a lifeline for many bird species, providing safe spaces to nest and shelter, especially as natural habitats become scarce. By putting up birdhouses, you're supporting local wildlife and enhancing your garden's ecosystem. Let's start with why birdhouses are so important. Many birds, like bluebirds and chickadees, are cavity nesters. They typically build their nests in hollow trees, but urban development and deforestation have made these sites rare. By offering a well-designed birdhouse, you provide a crucial refuge where birds can safely lay eggs, raise their young, and rest during extreme weather conditions. This is a simple yet impactful way to support bird populations. Having birds in your garden comes with incredible benefits. They act as natural pest controllers, eating insects like caterpillars, aphids, and mosquitoes, and reducing your reliance on chemical pesticides. Birds like hummingbirds and orioles are essential pollinators, helping your flowers and vegetables thrive. Seed-eating birds, such as finches, assist in dispersing seeds and encourage the growth of native plants. Plus, birds create a lively, serene atmosphere that's perfect for bird watching and relaxation. Now let's dive into choosing the right birdhouse. This part's crucial. Different birds have different needs, so knowing your target species will help you make the best choice. Here's a quick guide to some popular birdhouse types. Bluebird houses. With a 1.5-inch entrance hole, these are designed to keep predators out. They should be placed 5 to 10 feet high in open areas. Wren houses. These small and compact birdhouses have a 1-inch entrance hole. Wrens aren't too picky, and you can hang them in trees or shrubs. Purple martin houses. These multi-compartment structures are best placed in open areas near water, around 10 to 20 feet high. Chickadee houses. These have 1.25-inch entrance hole and are best placed in wooden areas. Make sure they have good ventilation and drainage. Woodpecker houses. These larger houses need a 2-inch entrance and should be made from hardwood or have a metal guard to prevent damage. By choosing a birdhouse that suits specific needs of each bird species, you'll create more inviting and effective space. Next, let's talk about orientation. This is one of the most important aspects of setting up a birdhouse. You'll want to face the entrance hole away from prevailing winds and towards the east or southeast. This keeps birds in the interior dry and gives them morning sunlight to warm their nest. Make sure the birdhouse is mounted securely at the correct height, anywhere from 5 to 15 feet depending on the species, and add a predator guard or baffle that can protect the nest from raccoons, snakes, and squirrels. To create a complete bird habitat, consider adding bird feeders and bird baths. Feeders provide a consistent source of food, attract a wide variety of birds, especially during the colder months when food is scarce. Bird baths are essential for hydration and feather maintenance, helping birds keep clean and healthy. Place these features 10 to 20 feet away from a birdhouse to ensure nesting birds feel secure, yet have easy access to food and water. Now that your birdhouses are set up, maintenance is key to keeping them safe and inviting. Clean out birdhouses at the end of each nesting season to remove old nests and debris, which can harbor parasites or disease. Inspect for damage, like loose panels or cracks, and make any necessary repairs. This upkeep ensures birds have a reliable place to nest year after year. By setting up birdhouses, feeders, and bird baths, you're not only just decorating your garden, you're creating a thriving ecosystem that supports local wildlife. You'll get to enjoy the beauty and song of birds while knowing you've made a positive impact on the environment and their lives. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on gardening and attracting wildlife, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, happy gardening and bird watching.